Solve the absolute value of 8x plus 5 over 5 minus 5 is equal to 4. When we're solving an absolute value equation, it's really important to first get the absolute value all by itself on one side of the equal sign, and then we can split into our two different equations from there with the absolute value. So right now, this is not by itself. It's being divided by 5 and subtracted by 5. So we need to add 5 to both sides. So we'll have the absolute value of 8x plus 5 divided by 5 is equal to 9. Then we'll multiply both sides by 5. So that will cancel out dividing by 5 and give us the absolute value of 8x plus 5 is equal to 45. We can then use our property of absolute value to split into our two different situations, where first we have that 8x plus 5 is equal to 45, but we also have 8x plus 5 is equal to negative 45. We'll then subtract 5 from each side. So 8x equals 40, and divide by 8 in the first equation to give our first solution of x equals 5. We then will subtract 5 and divide by 8 in the second equation, which gives us our second solution of negative 6.25. So we have solutions of x equals 5 and x equals negative 6.25, making our answers choices A and C.